later, right?
It does, yeah.
Oh no. Smiling, keep smiling.
Ready?
Hey, no, I want to do it.
Okay.
That was close to my face. That's twisting. Battery empty. There's another one in the drawer somewhere.
Hey guys, and welcome back. In this episode we will show you how we replace the front bushes. We haven't replaced the rear bushes yet, but we will get to that very soon.
The plan was actually to install the fuel tank, but yeah, we had some complications on that. So we couldn't pick it up, and then we picked it up and we got the fuel tank here, and now it takes a bit of engineering and planning around it, so it's not like a bolt-on situation. So that's why we need to postpone that a little bit, because we have a roadworthy appointment. We can't pull the mock apart because we have to drive there, and we don't really sure how long it's going to take with the fuel tank. So that's why we have to wait with that for another week or so. But it's definitely going to come very soon, and there are a few more things we have to do in the meantime anyway. So we're definitely not running out of work.
Okay, enough talking. Let's get started.
It's just a bolt. You just have to hold it, kind of. No, it's fine. It's turning it. But now, the interesting part is
I'll put the nut back on it.
getting that one out is probably like,
You might have to use your jack.
we might have to jack up the not the axle, the actual truck.
You might have to use a jack and the timber to get the weight off of it.
I only have one.
Okay, get the compressor.
Yeah. Can you get the lever for that?
Yeah.
It's still in the bag on the table somewhere.
I got it.
Huh?
I'm mucking around.
We'll probably take the rocks with us.
Yeah.
They're perfect. This is,
I change them with timbers.
Yeah, a bit later.
No, but timbers will be stronger.
Yeah.
Hopefully don't crumble the bricks.
That is our problem. We don't have a big compressor. Don't hit my teeth, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Actually, it's not easy to move the bolt.
So here's the idea.
Just turn the truck on and steer it.
Yeah.
I got it, mate.
Yeah.
Of course I do.
I need a bigger tool. But still, the cunt is not coming out.
Shit.
Oh, that will move now. Give me a second.
Oh, move the jack over to here.
You push it up with that.
Take the weight off the actual.
Yeah, but
Oh.
it's still in on the other side. You know, that thing is fixed on the other side, but that one should be loose. Should we leave
Might
it
have
in?
to lift it back up again, yeah.
It's coming. There it is. Scared me. That one doesn't even look too bad.
Oh, they look alright.
Huh?
Oh, got new ones.
Should look alright.
It does, yeah.
Oh no. Smiling, keep smiling.
It's alright, mate.
It's alright, mate.
See how many times I hit my head?
Yeah, I know.
There we go.
Woo!
I was lucky. You would have ripped the brake line off. It's easy.
Well, this is easy. Oh, that thumb hurts. Still. And the arm, link, or whatever you call it. Which way was it? Oh, it was that way. Okay.
So the big flat side was actually down.
Yep.
It doesn't come out.
Yeah. Now it's moving.
We have successfully replaced the front bushes on our Mog. We made great progress, and as you can see, the second side went even faster. I believe everyone can do this on their own. If you have any questions,
Feel free to text us or leave a comment. We are here to help.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this episode, please consider subscribing and liking that video. That will help us a lot. Yeah, we also have a top tip for you when you replace the bushes, because as you've seen, it's not too hard to do. They're pretty easy sliding in. It helps always a bit to use a bit of like dishwashing soap or something on it. I'm not a huge fan of using grease, because grease, like the dirt sticks to it, and dishwashing soap is just going wash off and then it's gone. And also get yourself one of these ones. There's like a circlip removal tool. Yeah, I've seen people doing it like with all kind of tools like screwdrivers, drills, whatever. They're not very expensive and super handy. Hope we see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.